India seems to have inadvertently started a trade war with United States. It is very strange to see this, seeing the bombhemi between President Trump and Prime Minister Modi. One would have thought that India and the negotiators between India and United States would have sorted out all problems within themselves, but it has not happened. Let's find out what's wrong. Welcome back to Berich. India in 2016 started an equalization tax, which is basically aimed at all e commerce transactions originating out of India. This was popularly known as Google tax. This was an equalization tax because Google was getting a lot of ad revenue in India and was not paying tax in India. So this started in 2016. This should have ideally been a multilateral discussion and the entire world should have agreed on who gets what tax. But since the multilateral trade negotiations broke down because America walked out, India started to use an equalization tax in 2016. What happened is the revenue hungry government in this budget suggested that all e commerce transactions originating out of India will be taxed at 2% more. None of these companies have paid the tax because various trade bodies representing these majors have appealed to the government to withdraw this tax. Also, they have said that the effect of this pandemic means that people may not be able to pay this tax. But there has been no clarity given by the government of India. And so this is tax is hanging and it looks certain that India will suffer this tax. While this is for all e-commerce transactions originating from India, the destination, the home country of the provider could be anywhere in the world. America sees it is as a primarily a trade war against America because the major payers of this tax will be Google, Amazon, Facebook, and Netflix, and hence they see it as an attack on American companies. It is quite possible in this election year that the Americans may impose trade sanctions on India and increase duties on Indian exports and harm us. And even this e-commerce transaction, the companies like Google are not going to pay out it out of their pocket. The extra cost is going to be passed on to the Indian consumer, and indirectly, it's the Indian consumer who is going to pay the tax. It would have been advisable for India to have deferred this 2% hike and waited for the American election to get over and multilateral negotiations to start to resolve this issue. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, hit the like button, press the subscribe button of my channel, and turn on the bell notification. If you want to read the Kindle version of my book, press the Kindle link. If you want to order a print copy, send a WhatsApp message to me. At the very end, if you want to speak to me directly, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for supporting Be Rich.